Asanzuri! I'm Maeve De Voe, and I'll be showing you how I created my Guilty Night, Guilty Kiss English lyric video. I've been making lyric videos since 2021 for my songs, but I've always thought mine were boring and subpar. I kept watching other people's videos and I was wondering what made theirs so much more professional and entertaining. Let me watch their lyric videos and study why do they look so good? And so I realized that constant movement is key. And that's one of the biggest things I've been lacking. My lyric video has 4 layers of movement on almost every second. The first one is the background. Now you're gonna have to look really fast, but everything that has yellow or teal on it has an intro, outro, or combo animation. The intro and outro are pretty self-explanatory, but combo means that there's constant movement when intro and outro might be standing still before it starts or ends. For the backgrounds, I used YouTube videos, kind of like how I did in GNGK, or images I found online in the aesthetic of this release, which I did a whole video on the Guilty Night, Guilty Kiss aesthetic on my YouTube and socials. I used HSL and manually adjusted the colors to be correct. I did this for just about every background and some overlays as well. I also have a lot of transitions in between the clips. These kind of smooth out the scenes, even though they already have an outro or combo animation that transitions it to the next clip. All of my overlays, which are the sprite or the character, have intro and outro animations as well, along with some of them having keyframes, which means that I'm manually figuring out where I want to put it. Like, for example, in this one, I make her kind of go down and to the side, instead of her just going straight down. And on the one of her popping in, she's slightly coming up on an angle. Also, I learned how to use the green screen text where you just make a separate project, you just make it the plain green background, type your text super bold and large, export it, and then just remove background, chroma key it, and there you have it. I actually made her blonde and it looks so good. I feel like if this was 2 years ago, I would have gone blonde for this, and so this would have genuinely been the look. All of my texts have intro and outro animations as well, and occasionally I'll have a sticker, which this one is like a little star going in a circle. If you want to count this, the effects is another layer of animation because think about it, it's movement in the background. Now, you're probably wondering why this project starts at the first verse and not the intro of the song. Well, when I was still promoting GNGK, I went through one of the worst creative blocks in my life. I knew I had to start on the lyric video ASAP because it was a beast, but I couldn't mentally move on from GNGK. I talk a little bit about how it literally emotionally attached itself to me, so I couldn't move on to any other project. And when I did, I was completely empty. GNGK also completely drained me from how hard I overworked on it. I kept trying over and over again every day, but I couldn't get past the first 3 seconds. The intro is crucial to a lyric video because it determines if the viewer wants to stay or not. So instead of putting that kind of pressure on myself, I just go straight to the verse, which is slightly less intimidating. Oh my peach, there was one night I got so inspired after watching the Port Miami cam with all the cruise ships leaving, and from then on, I was flying through this video. The more I worked on this lyric video, the more problems I had with this app and the project file itself. Like this, there's so many transitions, there's so many overlays, so many animations. Because of all the lag, I realized this is gonna be impossible trying to add a whole 30 seconds to the front of it. So I made the entire song except for the very first 25 seconds. This whole intro, I hand aligned to the beat. So I made that in another project. imported it to this one as just a finished video. Oh, and by the way, the little heart hands, that's actually a Katori sprite. Oh wait, I'm remembering it wrong. Yeah, I literally made this whole section because I wanted to do this effect. I wanted everything to spin and then hit, and then it would be really impactful with my name. I think the intro is quite literally the best part of the lyric video, if not better than the golden surround, like platform rising. And then once I finished making the intro, I just popped in the rest of the video and it's history. Here's some of the effects I used. Lots of crazy animations. But yeah, exporting the whole other part of the video took me 6 hours straight, retrying after it kept crashing every 4 minutes. Thank you so much for watching how I created my lyric video. Go watch the full-length lyric video. I put my entire heart and soul into it. And go stream Guilty Night, Guilty Kiss English version on any streaming service. I made this song because I wanted to tribute the Kaigai Idol community. So for all of you, this is for you. But I hope you have an amazing day, night, wherever you are in the world. Asanzuri.